Hi, this is Traci Martin with Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator. Today I'm going to demonstrate adding a contracted customer rate to a shipping order from the load board. We have a couple different ways you can do this. You can select the checkbox from the transport side, and the action to perform is assign rate. And you would select customer rate contract, assign, and search for your carrier. I'm not going to save this. I'm going to X out of there. Another way that you can do this is from the shipping order. We have the assign customer rate blue button. Gives you the option of system, which would be a contract rate. And these are actually customer and carrier rates, but I'm going to select this one. And I'll save this one. So you can see here, now it shows as rated. And here is our contract customer rate. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.